Many people confuse these two words because they look very similar and often assume they have the same meaning and pronunciation. However, that's not the case. Let's understand how these words differ in their pronunciations, meanings, and usage in sentences. The first word, loose, is pronounced loose, loose, loose. This word is an adjective and it means something that's not tight. An example is, my shirt is too loose. The second word is loose and it's pronounced loose, loose, loose. This word is pronounced with a Z sound at the end. This word is a verb and it means to misplace or fail to win. An example is, be careful not to lose your wallet. So, now you know the differences between these two words, loose versus lose.